In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser crashing or not loading on Windows. By the end of this video, you'll systematically troubleshoot and resolve the most common causes. So Brave opens reliably and loads pages normally on your Windows PC. First, restart your PC. Close Brave if it's open, click the Start button, select Power, and choose Restart. After Windows comes back up, open Brave and see if it runs without crashing. Next, update Brave browser. Open Brave, click the menu icon in the top right, and go to Settings. From here, select About Brave. Brave will automatically check for updates and install them. If you see a relaunch button, click it to reopen the browser on the newest version. Now, clear the cache. In Brave, go back to Settings, then open Privacy. Click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, and leave other options unchecked to keep your history and saved data. Click Clear Data. When it's done, close and reopen Brave to test. Clearing cached files replaces potentially corrupted temporary files that can prevent pages from loading. Disable extensions. Click the menu icon again and choose Extensions. Turn off all extensions by toggling each one off. This is just a temporary test to rule out a bad or outdated add-on. With everything disabled, open a new tab and try loading a few websites. If Brave is now stable, you've confirmed an extension conflict. You can re-enable them later one by one to find the problem. Turn off hardware acceleration. In Brave, go to Settings, then System. Disable the option. Use hardware acceleration when available. If Brave prompts you to relaunch, click Relaunch. This forces Brave to render pages without using your graphics card, which can fix freezing or crashing on some systems. Reset Brave settings. Go to Settings, then Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to Original Defaults and confirm. This returns Brave's configuration to a clean state. It's safe to do and won't remove your bookmarks or saved passwords, but it will reset things like your startup page and disable extensions. After the reset, reopen Brave and test page loading. Reinstall Brave browser. First, uninstall Brave. On Windows, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps, and find Brave in your installed apps. Click Uninstall and follow the prompts. Once it's removed, download the latest version of Brave from the official site and install it again. A fresh install replaces any damaged program files that can cause crashes. Open Brave after installation and confirm it loads correctly. Check antivirus or firewall. Temporarily disable your security software and test Brave. If Brave only works while it's disabled, your security tool is likely blocking it. Re-enable your antivirus or firewall immediately after testing. Then add an exception for Brave within your security software so you can keep protection on while using the browser. Run Brave as administrator. Right-click the Brave icon on your desktop or in the Start menu and choose Run as administrator. If Brave opens and runs correctly in this mode, it indicates a permissions issue on your system. You can continue using it like this temporarily while you adjust your Windows permissions later. At this point, Brave should be stable, opening without crashing and loading sites as expected. Your fix for Brave browser crashing or not loading on Windows is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.